Hello students, today we are here to discuss the topic probability distribution, in which first we have to see sample space. What is sample space? The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space. We already learned this definition in school level and also in 11th standard. The main part of this chapter is random variable. What is random variable? It is a number associated with the sample points in a sample space. It is defined on sample space and its value is a real number. That is, it is a function from S to R, where S is a sample space and R is a real number. That is, random variable may be any real number. That is negative number, positive number, fraction, whatever may be. Now, it is denoted by X, Y, Z, capital X, Y, Z, etc. There are two types of random variable. First, discrete random variable and second is continuous random variable. First, we see discrete random variable. What is discrete random variable? It is a discrete random variable is a finite or infinite but countable in numbers. That is, we said that integers 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. We can count this number easily. And in second part, we see about the continuous random variable. Now, we see one example in which we clear about the random concept of random variable. What is example here? 3 coins are tops. Random variable is defined as x is equal to number of heads. Right. First we find the sample space. S is equal to Now there are total 8 outcomes. We know that. What are these outcomes? There is one trick for that. First write 4 head, 4 tails, then 2 head, 2 tails, 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, tail, 1 head, 1 tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is, n of s is equal to 8. That is, total number of sample points are 8. Now, what is we have given? X is equal to number of heads. What is x? It is a random variable. Now we have to count the number of heads in each sample points. Here the number of heads is 3. Here it is 2. Here it is 2. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. Here it is 0. We see that the number of heads is from 0 to 3. That is, in x, the set x is of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. That is, we get 0 head or 1 head or 2 head or 3 head. Right? This is our random variable. This is the random variable. What is the values of random variable? 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, we see the probabilities of this random variable. Now, for first, x is equal x 0, 1, 2, 3. Number of cases for 0 heads. We count that cases. How many cases here where no heads is given? That is only one case, that is this. Now, count the number of cases where one head is given. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cases. Similarly, for 2 heads, there are 1, 2, 3. 3 cases are given. And for 3 heads, there is only one case. From this number of cases, we find probability, which is written as P of x is equal to x, where this x is a random variable. Probability. Now, we know that total number of cases are 8, in which one case is such that there is no head. Therefore, its probability is 1 by 8. Here probability is 3 by 8. Here probability is 3 by 8. Here probability is 1 by 8. Now, we write it in a tabulated form. 0, 1, 2, 3. And their probabilities. Probability of 0 is 1 by 8. Probability of 1 is 3 by 8, of 2 is 3 by 8, and of 3 is 1 by 8. This tabulated form of a random variable and their probabilities is nothing but probability distribution. In this, we have to see 2 points. All these probabilities are positive. That is, in probability distribution, all probabilities must be greater than 0. 0 and 0 or greater than 0 must be positive. And if we add all these, add all these probabilities, we get 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8. We get 8 by 8, that is 1. That is sum of all probabilities. That is sum of all probabilities is equal to 1. That is, for identification of probability distribution, there must be 2 cases, that all the probabilities must be positive and sum of all probabilities must be is equal to 1. Then we can say that it is a probability distribution.